The Arthrex internal brace spring ligament augmentation repair is a surgery for people who have flat foot due to weakness or rupture of the spring ligament or posterior tibial tendon. Spring ligament is the connecting tissue located under the foot that connects the calcaneus and navicular bone. This ligament is often repaired in people that have a condition called flatfoot. It is when the arch of the foot collapses, coming into contact with the ground. The repair begins with the surgeon making a cut on the side of the ankle where the calcaneus, navicular bone, and medial cuneiform are located. Next, the surgeon will create a bone tunnel by drilling into the sustentaculum tali of the calcaneus using a guide wire and drill guide. The bone tunnel is made in the calcaneus to prepare for a swivel lock suture anchor loaded with fiber tape. The swivel lock anchor is screwed into place. Next, the FDL tendon, also known as flexor digitorum longus, located on the medial side of the leg, is identified, cut, and then tagged with a fiber loop stitching technique. A bone tunnel is made in the navicular to prepare for an additional swivel lock anchor. The ankle structures are tensioned and fixed into place by taking one part of the fiber tape and passing it from top to bottom with a suture passing wire. Then, take the other part of the fiber tape with the sutures from the FDL tendon and passing it from bottom to top. The surgeon then holds it in place by inserting the swivel lock from bottom to top. The remaining sutures are cut. The supporting structures of the arch of the foot are now repaired and held together with the internal brace, causing the arch of the foot to be restored.